Square foot gardening is much more than a technique just for backyard gardeners. This innovative system is spreading out into communities everywhere in surprising ways. Stick around and I'll show you how. Come on, let's go. Hey, how you doing today? On behalf of the Square Foot Gardening Foundation, I'm Rick Bickling, the How Do Gardener. Science tells us that people are happier when they spend time outdoors, and square foot gardening is the perfect way for new gardeners to get their hands in the soil and see tangible results right away. Biting into a radish straight from the garden or enjoying a fresh vine-ripe tomato creates an instant connection to our earth. But can you grow a garden without a large suburban backyard or acres of farmland? Surprisingly, the answer is yes. For decades, the square foot gardening method has taken hold not just in suburban backyards, but in community gardens, schoolyards, urban neighborhoods, and developing countries everywhere. In urban areas where there's little backyard room for individual gardens, parking lots, balconies, rooftops, old basketball courts, and abandoned lots and plots of all shapes and sizes are sprouting up square foot gardens to both beautify neighborhoods and provide inner city dwellers with inexpensive, fresh, healthy produce. In schools all across the country and around the world, kids are having fun learning how to garden in the square foot garden way. Care homes for the elderly are building elevated square foot gardens as a form of recreational and occupational therapy for their residents. Square foot gardening offers several uniquely adaptable attributes that allow communities around the world to grow much of their own food supply, no matter where they live, the soil conditions, or what their circumstances are. Rather than trying to dig down into the existing soil, square foot gardening allows you to garden on top of whatever soil or surface you may have. Only 6 inches of the Mel's Mix custom quality soil mixture is added into raised beds placed on top of the ground and built in whatever size will fit in the available space. No machinery, fertilizer, or heavy tools are ever needed, and no skills or horticultural experience is necessary. We firmly believe that square foot gardening can bridge the gaps between young and old, urban, suburban, and rural, and individuals from all different backgrounds. Join us, won't you? Visit our website at squarefootgardening.org.